Got it. Okay, so this is the elevator at the Westin in downtown Dallas. That light is red. For some reason it appears white. Okay, and that works. We'll ride up to the top. Yeah. Oh, they got rooftop pool here. Yeah, so I was just at Renaissance Tower. They initially tried to tell me that I wasn't going to get on the elevator, so I just switched to the lower lobby and said good enough. Yeah, so this is... Wow, okay, let's see if we got a view up here. Might have one. Ish? Somewhat view? Ah, there's a tower over there. That's the, right here. There we are. There's where we just were. I think. Yeah, Renaissance Tower. Right there. They tried to tell me I couldn't get on the elevator there on the lobby, so I just went to the lower level. Well, I don't think they would have said I couldn't. They just were confused. I don't know. A bunch of people were getting on the elevator, so... Yep, and then from the other side, from there you can see that through that window was the Bank of America. I have a feeling we're gonna get caught by security for entering this stuff, but other than again, I don't know. The Bank of America Plaza. We were up there too. And over this way. The Omni Hotel, and just a bunch of randomness out there. Nothing much. Okay. Let's head out here and not get all caught up annoying people. For security, I mean. Is the camera focused? Yes, it is. But yeah. Wonder if we can see out the other set. No, not from here. I don't know. Well, I'm not going to take too long with this. So, yeah, I don't think there's any. Where's the elevators? The elevators are the other way. Okay. I'm gonna skip to that. Alright, here's the elevators. So level 32 has a swimming pool on it. Where's that? It's probably that way. Yeah, pool. Over there. Well, that is cool. A pool is cool. Oh, that's not a service switch, that's just the access switch. But, we got 4. If I have a focus. There's Ian. Hello, Ian. Here it is. Here we are. Westinghouse. Modernized by Schindler. Oh, okay. So let's see. Got the cab. We'll get a view of the indicators first. I don't know what kind of elevator this is. It's a bit shaky. It's wobbling back and forth a bit, but that's not a big deal. Here are your fixtures. Any second now, we should be getting down to the bottom. I don't know what these fixtures are. Okay, there we go. Yeah, key reader there. Well, yeah. It's pretty cool.